Yo, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm doing a review of a woman's kick. It's an old classic Puma Cali Star. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Happy New Year. If you're new to the channel, my name is Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of trainers and trade related stuff. Hopefully I'll give you enough information that you can decide whether or not to cop or drop. Look at the box, the trainers, what you might get in the box sometimes, what the trainers feel like, if they're true to size, and just hopefully all the information you need. If I don't give you the information you want, comment below, let me know. But in order for you to comment, you need to subscribe to my channel. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit notification bell so you know when I've uploaded new videos, and definitely hit the like button if you like the content of this video. Now, like I said to you, we are looking at an old classic silhouette from Puma, but it's a bubblegum remix to bring it up to the modern times now, or just like what most people do, just a little bit of remix to the trainers. So first thing we do is we look at the box. So there's nothing really to report home about this box. It's a classic Puma box, green, white branding on the top, reverses on the back. You've got the details there, if it focuses, of what this are. And like I said to you, this is the Cali Star Metallic Women's Puma White Rose Gold. If we look inside the box, nothing really to put on, just basic tissue paper and brown. That's it. So here we have it, the Puma trainer Cali Star. It's the remix of an old silhouette. Now, if you've been in, if you know, just let me say if you've been into Puma or you know about Puma, but just go and have a look at. They've still got some old classic ones there, but then you can see the difference of what they've done recently with these. Now let's do what we normally do. Let's start with the sole of the shoe. Now we've got a really flat bottom sole. There's not much grip in terms of gripping on the street. It will definitely push away water, so I don't feel slipping, but you would not wear these in snow. You wouldn't wear them in snow. I don't know why I'm thinking like that, but I could see you slipping these. A bit like a Jordan 1s. If they're not on a corner in the pavement, you could really slip. At the heel, you've got the Puma Cat there. These are dirty because, like I said, they're women's trainers, so I needed to be worn so I could give a review on them and tell you exactly how they feel, what they fit like, etc., etc. So don't criticise me about the dirt on the bottom of the shoe. But the shoe itself is clean, as you can see. So again, no criticism. Okay, I'm trying to bring you the best thing. So if we go to the midsole now, the midsole and the sole is just one big mould. So what they've done, they've moulded like little cutouts at the front of the shoe for the toe box, so it makes it look like they've got an overlay on top of it. But like the Puma Sambas, they've got that big strip over top of it like that, but it's not. It's just one mould and it's indented with certain grips, etc. If we go to the heel of the shoe, you can see why it's called rose gold. You've got a TPU metallic looking metal at the back with the Puma sign and the Puma Cat there. This travels completely around the heel and stops just on the inside of the shoe, as you can see there. The upper of the shoe is complete leather, and it's a nice leather. Sometimes this leather you want to see on some Jordan 1s and things, man. So you can't take nothing away from Puma on this one, and the leather is nice. Okay, the toe box has some perforated holes in it, and we go to the Puma branding on the side, which is again is in white. Just above there, you've got the little Puma emblem, Puma written, and the cat, and it's embossed with a metallic gold as well, just the same colour as the heel. If you go around to the back of the heel, you see that you've got the cat again, that's embossed in the leather, and again in the gold or rose gold at the back. The inside the shoe is exactly the same. You've got the leather overlays in white. You might as well call this, you could call this a triple white, but it's got the rose gold in it. But it's a white shoe with a hint of rose gold on it. That's the best way to describe this. Complete leather upper. Even the tongue, it's not leather, but it feels like leather. They've given it that same aesthetic look to make it like leather. You've got a big Puma label on the inside there. It's got Puma again in rose gold and a cat, and it's outlined in rose gold as well. The inside of the shoe is just a normal insole. It's really quite soft. It's really nice. White, black logos there. The bottom of it is blue and embossed Puma, and I believe just probably some sizing. Yeah, it says UK 6, etc. Some writing on the back. But this is really cushiony. It's really cushiony. If we go to the the lining of the shoe, again, it's just a normal cloth lining. When I read some bump on this, they said they've done a mould, so it gives it more cushioning around your heel and your ankle area. But I don't know, maybe it feels okay. I'm not going to lie to you, there's nothing outstanding. I'm not squeezing it. It's like not like memory foam or anything like that. But I've been told it's really comfortable. You're not going to get any chafing or blisters or anything like that. Your foot sits really nice in the shoe. There's no movement at the back in terms of the heel, and it's quite stiff. One thing I would say about the shoe though, it's not very heavy. It's heavy. It's heavier than I thought it'd be. Now this is a UK size 6, so if I'm saying it's heavy, it's heavy. I'm a 12, so you can feel the weight on this shoe, which is good. It definitely runs true to size. It's very comfortable, and I think what was reported to me about the shoe, it feels very cushiony. Now that clearly comes from the insole as well as the rubber sole as well. I know that they're using a new sole system or system within the sole compared to the old one on this, so that might give it a bit more bounce in your step and making it more comfortable. It's a high shoe. You can see it's quite a chunky midsole, so you will go up an inch or two, but I'm told you don't feel like you're on a platform. You do sit in the trainer. The trainer does feel like a part of your feet, so shouldn't have no complaints. Like I said to you, if I haven't already said it, then again, it fits true to size. Another thing, what you notice, the laces are quite normal laces, but you've got a little rose gold TPU metallic looking label or logo on the toe as well. So that it's nice. You don't have to have that on if you don't want to. I think it looks fine with it, to be honest with you. You might want to. It might be too much and just want that at the back, but again, it's down to preference. But these are one there, and this is what it comes with. That's my review of the Puma Cali Star Bubblegum Remix, brought into the modern era. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I've got some competitions. I'm giving away a few stuff, some shoe stack boxes like that, and some other shoe stack products. Make sure you watch those videos. I put a link up here, or it's up here, but you'll see those links. But the only way you know how to enter those competitions is if you follow me on Instagram, which is Patrick T for real. I'll be back again with another review of some other trainers pretty soon. But for now, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell, and I'll see you guys again. Peace.